Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. Today's topic, I'm going to show you how to create an autumn table lamp or a home decoration table centerpiece. This is our main project. Look at this. This is a jar decorated with a collection of autumn leaves. The color is green, brown, red, and orange. And this jar is from recycled coffee jar and decorated with these ornaments. This is a ring wire decorated with beads, and I have here this battery operated light. Okay, look at this. So this is our project. Look, very simple. All you need is only to provide a jar, empty jar, and decorated and paste the leaves with the use of adhesive glue or epoxy. This one, wrap around, cover it with different colors of autumn leaves. This one, okay, and insert this battery operated lights, and the rest you have to wrap around into the glass. Okay, so now I am going to show you how to decorate this autumn lamp. This is our main material. This one, the empty jars of the Nescafe. This is the epoxy or the adhesive glue. We have this scissor. We need a scissor, this battery operated light, and we have a collection of autumn leaves. I have here a collection of autumn leaves. Here, look at here, I have here a collection of autumn leaves. So if you're going to create a project which is using autumn leaves, you have to collect first the leaves and put it in the magazine in order that the leaves will be pressed. Just keep it for some days, and when it is dried, so you can use this one. Okay, I will just show you how to create this simple project. Okay, this is our jar. Look at this. Okay, this is our jar. We will use this adhesive glue, and we will use these leaves. Okay, just to give you a sample on how to create a simple autumn lamp, and you have to cut this stem. Okay, so by simply putting a little bit of the glue, and you can fix it here in this jar and hold it to dry. Okay, just like that. And you have to fill this jar, continue with the use of other colors. You can take fresh leaves from the tree, and you can put it in the magazine to dry. Then after, when it is dry, so you can create your project. Okay, this is very inexpensive project. All you have to do, just purchase adhesive glue and battery operated lights, and you can use this anytime. And this jar, you can dispose this after the season. Okay, so this is just simply as this. Look at this, just like that. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, look, So just continue to cover all over the glass. Okay, and now it looks like this. I will take out first the light and I will show you how it's look like when it is not decorated yet. Okay, so this is our light. This is just optional, you can use this or without. And this is our jar. Look at this. So this is now the jar decorated with the autumn leaves. Okay, so all you have to do, just put these electric lights inside. First you have to, if you have like this, you can put this on the top and insert this wire, and the rest you can wrap around in the jar like this. And open it, the lights, and insert and put the battery inside the jar. Okay, so this is very easy and very inexpensive project. Okay, so you can put this in your table, in the center of your table. Supposing this is your table, you can put it in the table, in the center, or you can put this in your kitchen or in the corner, anywhere in your house, because this is very safe, because this is just a battery operated lights. Okay, so that is our project for today. Very simple and very easy. So thank you for watching and joining me in this tutorial, and see you again in my next tutorial. I'll be uploading more videos of my projects and video tutorial next time. Greetings from S.G.M from Switzerland. Don't forget to subscribe to S.G.M Creation Tutorials, Travels, Food and Makeup. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you will be updated with all my projects and video tutorials. And in this channel, you will learn many things from me. So, see you again. Bye bye. Ciao. Auf Wiedersehen.